What's up, YouTubular viewers? YouTubular viewers, what's up? Tanman back, showing off some of that diggity dank. This is that Nug Run green crack, sour grape mix. Absolutely golden. A bountiful treasure indeed. And that's what I was smoking on before. That is still some of the Bubba Kush Nug Run cheddar. Pretty nice. All very stable. Just wanted to show that off. I do not own any of the rights to the music. All of the music is provided by YouTube. Set up my camera here. Get into some dabs with y'all. That's what I do. Keep my concentrates sealed up. Keeps them nice and fresh. Pretty good idea. Oh hey. Got my Lego Pirate ship out. Somebody wanted to see it. You all wanted to see it. This thing, pretty neat. So I keep my concentrates, the bulk of them stored up, and then I take usually, gram and a half, and I put them in my slick containers, and they're easier to access. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying. Try to get the right dab together here. Might as well make it gargantuan. Might as well. Fairly gargantuan. Cheers, everybody. Go for a close-up. Wow. 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 Wow, you guys. That was pretty gargantuan. Fairly gargantuan indeed. Keep it going. sure you got this ship here. Got the captain holding a little pizza pie. So yep, there it is. Somebody wanted to see it up close. It's getting right in there. Oh, one little compartment back here. Oh shit. This whole back thing comes up. I'll show you in a second. Time to do another lap. And cheers once again, everybody. Yeah. Yeah. So when I was a little bit smaller, I used to like hide stuff in the back of my pirate ship. So that just comes up right there like that. Y'all can go right on in there. Start stashing things. Eventually. So get the light in there. Come on over here, pirate ship. So it's super sneaky, super good spot for hiding stuff. All good. Well, y'all stay frosty. I'll see you again next time. Peace.